Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PlugShare for alerts and station reviews. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with PlugShare, open your web browser and go to the PlugShare website. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You'll now see several options to create an account. You can choose to sign up using your email address or through your social media accounts. If you're using an email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password and confirm it in the next field. After entering your information, click the Create Account button. If you opted for social media login, follow the prompts to connect your chosen account. Once registered, you may receive a verification email. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to activate your account. Now return to the PlugShare website and log in with your newly created account. After logging in, navigate to your account settings to configure your preferences. Here, you can set up alerts for station availability based on your needs. To review charging stations, search for a specific location or browse the map. When you find a station you'd like to review, click on it for more details. Look for the Leave a Review option and click it. Share your experience, including information about accessibility and reliability. Finally, submit your review and enjoy the benefits of your PlugShare account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.